Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then here you will find here App Store, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. You come here to offload inside apps, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's me here offload inside apps. It's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.